Have you ever dreamed of stepping into a mystical realm straight out of a Celtic legend? Then let me take you to the breathtakingly beautiful fairy pools in the Isle of Skye, Scotland, a natural wonderland that will ignite your sense of adventure and enchantment. Nestled at the foot of the majestic Black Cuillin mountains, the fairy pools are a series of crystal clear, turquoise-hued pools and waterfalls that seem too surreal to be true. As you embark on the 2.4 kilometers hiking trail through the Glen Brittle forest, the anticipation builds with every step you take towards this mythical paradise. Upon reaching your destination, you'll be awestruck by the sight of the icy waters cascading over ancient rock formations, creating a mesmerizing dance of nature's elements. The brilliantly blue pools shimmer like precious gemstones, inviting you to dip your toes and immerse yourself in their revitalizing embrace. For the adventurous souls, the fairy pools offer an unparalleled wild swimming experience. Don a wetsuit and brave the chilly waters, allowing the pure mountain streams to awaken your senses. Explore hidden alcoves, navigate through natural arches, and let the thundering waterfalls massage your cares away. Ready to embark on this magical journey? Remember to pack your sense of wonder, respect the Scottish Outdoor Access Code, and prepare to be spellbound by the fairy pool's ethereal beauty that will etch itself into your memories forever. Start planning your fairy tale adventure to the Isle of Skye today. Subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking travel inspiration, and let us know in the comments if you've had the chance to experience the mystical fairy pools yourself.